Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use CoinMarketCap to figure out how much BTC you're going to be getting for your dollar amount. The first thing you will want to do is go to your Google Play Store and download the CoinMarketCap app. Once you've done that, you would then register your account and then the app will be available. After that, you would just simply go in and go to Bitcoin. You tap on the Bitcoin icon. Once you do that, you will see something that comes up with the BTC coin as $22,812.08. However, this will fluctuate time to time. You will simply just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you see convert. You tap convert. Now, once you tap the convert, you will see BTC1 and you'll see USDT, and the number will be $22,827.98. That's the cost of one BTC at this current moment. However, hypothetically speaking, if you only have $500 to invest and you would like to know how much Bitcoin you will get for $500, you would just simply go tap on the tether and just delete it and tap and click $500. Once you click $500, it would then create a number for the BTC that you will be receiving, which would be 0.02190294. So now, since you have this guide to show you how much BTC you'll be getting, this should make your trades and your research much easier. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.